Can you spot the odd flag of the USA? The first one is very easy. The first 10 are level easy. Can you find the odd flag of China? It's getting harder and harder! Can you find the odd flag of France? Please comment if this quiz is too fast. Can you find the odd Indian flag? Like the video if the speed is right for you. Can you find the odd flag of Germany? Can you find the odd flag of Japan? These are still easy, aren't they? Let's get a bit harder. Can you find the odd Canadian flag? Can you find the odd Italian flag? Can you find the odd flag of Brazil? You are doing great. Can you find the odd flag of Australia? Subscribe to my channel if you got everything correct. The next 10 flags are level medium. Can you find the odd flag of Mexico? This one might be tricky. Can you find the odd flag of South Korea? Can you find the odd Spanish flag? Can you find the odd flag of Argentina? The last one is the hardest. Can you find the odd flag of Turkey? Can you find the odd flag of Switzerland? Yep, that's a minus. Can you find the odd flag of Sweden? Can you find the odd flag of South Africa? Can you find the odd flag of Norway? Can you find the odd flag of Poland? The next 10 flags are level hard. Can you find the odd flag of Belgium? Can you find the odd flag of Egypt? Can you find the odd flag of Greece? Can you find the odd flag of Portugal? Can you find the odd flag of Thailand? Can you find the odd flag of Finland? Can you find the odd flag of Ukraine? Can you find the odd flag of Denmark? Can you find the odd flag of Austria? Can you find the odd flag of Chile? The last 10 flags are level extreme. Can you find the odd flag of Peru? Can you find the odd flag of Colombia? Don't forget to comment on your score at the end of the video. Can you find the odd flag of Czechia? Can you find the odd flag of Qatar? Can you find the odd flag of Vietnam? Can you find the odd flag of Algeria? Please follow for more. Can you find the odd flag of Iceland? Can you find the odd flag of Georgia? Can you find the odd flag of Kenya? Can you find the odd flag of the United Kingdom? Don't forget to comment on your score. Thank you for watching this video.